The whole new Syma X25 Pro is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X25 Pro accessories assembly with us. Landing gear installation. When the landing gear is installed, blade installation. There are two kinds of blades, positive and negative one. When blade is installed, please pay attention to the corresponding marks on blade. After press the blade down, a counterclockwise rotation, B clockwise rotation. Insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot. Next, let's pick up the camera. Insert cable into the corresponding slot on the bottom of the aircraft, and then install it correctly. Finally, as the aircraft battery installation, insert the battery into the aircraft battery compartment and push it into place and fasten it. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. Geomagnetic correction is required when the aircraft first flies in the new environment. First, rotate the aircraft anti-clockwise and 360 degrees horizontally until the indicator light flashes quickly. Then rotate it in clockwise and 360 degrees vertically until the indicator light always up. The yellow-green light turns green if the search star is successful. When a key return is initiated, the aircraft will return to the recording point. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. Ascend, a descent, forward, backward, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, left rolling, right rolling. Define the front before opening the headless mode. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset. Camera Video Mode. Press the button on the upper left corner to control aircraft's camera and video action. Press following flight key. Take the mobile phone and move forward. The aircraft will fly with GPS coordinate point. In surrounded flight, the aircraft will be centered on the coordinates of the remote controller. When in set radius, its nose will be oriented toward the center and begins to fly around 360 degrees. Before the one-key waypoint flight, the player needs to set the flight point on the flight control software map, and then click one-key waypoint flight button or touch keypad to start it. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Syma X25 Pro makes fly so easy.